Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of OKX, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. If you're looking to understand this platform better and maximize your trading experience, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 67374-754 to start earning bonuses on OKX. So, what exactly is OKX? OKX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, low trading fees, and advanced trading features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, OKX offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you trade efficiently and securely. Let's start with the fee structure. 1. Spot trading fees. OKX offers competitive fees for spot trading. The maker fee is 0.08% and the taker fee is 0.1%. For certain pairs like USDC, BTC, and ETH, the fees can be as low as 0.05% for makers and 0.07% for takers. 2. Futures trading fees. For futures trading, the maker fee is 0.02% and the taker fee is 0.05%. These low fees make OKX an attractive option for high-frequency traders and those dealing with large volumes. For example, if you trade 1 BTC at $50,000, the taker fee would be calculated as follows. Taker fee =1 BTC multiplication. $50,000 multiplication 0.1% $50. OKX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most versatile platforms for traders. 1. Major cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, and many more. 2. New and popular tokens. OKX frequently lists new and trending tokens such as Pepe, Sui, and other innovative projects. The OKX wallet is a powerful tool that enhances the user experience. 1. Multi-blockchain support supports 77 different blockchains, allowing users to manage a diverse portfolio. 2. Integration with dApps. Connect seamlessly with decentralized applications, dApps, for smooth transactions and staking. For instance, you can store your assets securely and interact with DeFi platforms directly from the OKX wallet. OKX offers robust staking options and passive income opportunities. 1. Staking options. Users can stake over 100 different cryptocurrencies and earn yields. The platform also offers structured products like options for diversified investment strategies. 2. Yield-earning products. Through direct staking and DeFi protocol staking, users can generate passive income with their holdings. For example, staking 100 ETH at a 5% annual yield could earn you 5 ETH per year. OKX provides a variety of advanced trading features. 1. Spot, margin, and futures trading. Offers multiple trading options with up to 100x leverage for futures. 2. Copy trading and trading bots. Users can automate their trading strategies or copy successful traders to enhance their trading performance. These tools are particularly useful for both new traders looking to learn and experienced traders aiming to optimize their strategies. OKX prioritizes a seamless user experience. 1. User interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive, although the wide range of features might seem complex at first. 2. Mobile app. The OKX mobile app includes all the functionalities of the web platform, allowing users to trade on the go. OKX ensures a high level of security and support for its users. 1. Security measures. Employs advanced security protocols, including multi-signature wallets and hardware wallet support. 2. Customer support. Offers a help center with extensive tutorials and a ticket system for resolving issues, although real-time support is primarily through live chat. To sum up, OKX is an excellent cryptocurrency exchange platform with a wide range of features designed to cater to all types of traders. Don't forget to use the referral code 673747524 to get started with your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to OKX, sign up using the referral code 673747454, and start maximizing your trading experience today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.